So kayo po yung nasa video.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Mga pulis na pumasok sa bahay ng isang witness humarap na sa House Committee hearing, ngunit walang napala ang mga kongresista dahil panay invoke ang kanilang sagot tuwing sila ay tatanungin. At sa hindi nagtagal ay napikon ang mga mambabatas at pinasight in contempt na lang ang mga ito.
Mr. Chair, before we proceed, I would like to seek permission from the committee if we be allowed to show a CCTV footage of what seems to have happened in Barangay Ransohan at 3 a.m. That morning of May 24. If I may be allowed, Mr. Chair. Yes, I'll try to narrate. Mr. Chair, this was a CCTV footage of what happened in Barangay Ransohan. Here we see unidentified personnel exiting what seems to be a white Mitsubishi L300 van. Dito po kitang-kita at around 3 o'clock a.m. Nasa may kalsada po sila at may pinasok po silang iskinita at tahanan. May isa pa pong footage yan, Mr. Chair. Yeah. So this is another angle, Mr. Chair, of what happened at 3:10. So makikita po natin may mga nakasibilyan. 3:10 a.m. Barangay Ransohan din po yan. And looking at the outfits of the said individuals, it seems to be the same as those who were present. But what intrigues me, Mr. Chair, is bakit ang daming kalalakihan na naglalakad ng ganitong oras? At mapapansin natin may mga sublit po silang mga bag. Team Leader Herrera, are you present? Pwede niyo po bang ma-confirm sa amin kung kayo nga po yung mga nakasuhan nung nakarang linggo sa lungsod na Lucena?
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Sir, mga honor. Ako po si Police Captain Aaron A. Herrera. Ako po ang team leader ng SDO ng Lucena City. Kino-confirm ko po yung sabi ni Your Honor na kami nga po yung inaresto nung sa
And
24, sir.
you were the team leader then?
Yes, Your Honor.
Congressman Suarez.
So, can you also confirm kung kayo po yung nasa video?
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ayan, dapat yan ang hindi nyo ginagawa dito sa hearing. We are just in aid of legislation. Okay, and anyway,
So,
magdadoubt na agad kami sa mga lingwahe mo. Ha? Okay, Congressman.
so ang tanong lang po namin kung kayo nga po yung grupo yung nasa video.
Your Honor, kami po yung nakasuhan sa Lucena noong May 24 at kami po yung nakulong na SDEU team.
So kayo po yung nasa video.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Kayo po yung grupo na pumasok sa bahay ng witness po ng komitibang ito.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Ito yung mga pumasok sa loob ng tahanan mo. Nung pumasok sila sa loob ng tahanan mo, lahat ba sila nakabonet? Hindi naman. Meron diyang walang pagtatago sa kanilang personalidad.
Nakabunet po,
Lahat.
Your Honor. Opo.
Meron kang pagkakakilanlan sa kanila na nakita mo sa kanilang katawan, like for example, may nakita kang balat, tattoo, or something like that?
May nakita po ako sa kanila na may tattoo sa
Tattoo?
braso.
Saan?
Sa braso po.
Sa kanan?
Kanan.
Ano yung tattoo nakalagay?
Hindi ko po, Your Honor,
Pero may
matanda.
tattoo dito sa kanan.
May tattoo po sa kanang braso.
At kung sakali makikita mo yon, yung tattoo yon, ma-recognize mo na yun yung pumasok sa loob ng bahay mo.
Hindi ko po masyado maipaliwanag dahil
Meron ba may tattoo sa inyo? O, umami na kayo. Yan. Saan ang katattoo mo? Saan ka may tattoo?
Kaliwat ka ng braso po, Your Honor.
Oo, may tattoo ka.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano yung may tattoo? Ano yung tsura?
Maputi po na manipis yung buhok.
Ayan, nakikita mo siya. Sa harapan mo, ayan, hindi manipis ang buhok niyan, kalbo yan. So, may tattoo daw siya. So, we don't have to go to the other room for us to see your tattoo. Pero we will do that para for the confirmation of Renalyn.
Yes, Your Honor.
Of course. Mabuti, umamin ka.
So, kayo po, nandun na kayo sa Ransohan ng alas 3 ng umaga.
Same manifestation, Your Honor.
Ha?
I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Ano? 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 Can you repeat?
Same manifestation, Your Honor. I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Anong incriminating doon?
Mr. Chair, sino yung pangalan ng team leader? Huwag mong sabihan yung iyong mga tao. What is your name?
Your Honor, Police Captain Aaron Agbay Herrera, Your Honor.
Yes, Captain Herrera.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Bakit nyo inuna si Jonathan samantalang hindi siya kasama sa operation ninyo? Matanong ko nga. Ang operation ninyo ay laban kay Salcedo, pero bakit nyo pinuntahan si Jonathan? Hindi naman siya kasama o subject ng operations ninyo. Pakipaliwanag po dito sa committee yon.
Same manifestation, Your Honor. I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Paano ma-incriminate yung kuwan mo? Yung sarili ninyo? Tinatanong ko tungkol sa operations ninyo. Hindi ba aspeto ito ng operations? Di ba? Inamin na nga ninyo na pinuntahan nyo si Jonathan eh. Ngayon, ang tinatanong ko lang, ano ang dahilan bakit pinasok ninyo o pinuntahan nyo si Jonathan, hindi naman siya subject ng inyong operations? Ano ang dahilan?
Your Honor, same manifestation po. I invoke my rights against
Oo,
self-incrimination.
pagbibigyan ko ng tsansa, yung 8 na kasama. Ano ang masasabi ninyo? Wala kayong rason? Just like your boss?
I invoke myself against self-incrimination.
Sige,
Your
isa-isa,
Honor.
para malaman ko. Binigyan ko na kayo ng tsansa. Wala nang sisiyan to.
I invoke my rights against
Ano?
self-incrimination po. I invoke my rights po against self-incrimination.
Please speak louder, Lapit niyo sa mic.
Ang tapang nyo dun sa tao, pero pag nandito kayo, hindi kayo makapagsalita eh.
Next. Sige, sunod-sunod na.
Same manifestation, Your Honor.
Ha?
Same manifestation, Your Honor.
Same manifestation. Next.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Hindi, antayin natin para at least sure tayo na sinagot nila na
Same
one for
manifestation
all
Your
for
Honor.
one sila. Sige, go ahead.
Same manifestation for Your Honor.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor. Same manifestation po, Your Honor. Same manifestation po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, ako, napanood ko na to.
Yeah, naulit na eh.
Naulit na naman to.
So, pero binigyan na natin ng pagkakataon. RD, Region 4A, Philippine National Police. What is the status of their administrative case?
The status of the admin case was last June 4, Your Honor, there was already a pre-charge investigation report against Police Captain Aaron Herrera et al. For grave misconduct, that is for violation of domicile, less grave misconduct for grave threat, simple misconduct for unjust vexation and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Meron na pong formal charges ang mga ito, and ang pinaka-latest po is there will be a pre-hearing conference scheduled on June 13 to be conducted by yes, Your Honor.
There's already a designated hearing officer.
The PS of Quezon PPO is here to answer that question, Your Honor.
May I know if there's already a designated hearing officer insofar as their cases are concerned?
Magandang hapon po, Your Honor. Meron na pong designated na summary hearing officer yung administrative case po ni Captain Herrera and 8 others in the person of Police Captain Eupemia, sir.
May I know how long would it take for the hearing officer to finish or terminate his investigation?
Your Honor, I am not in the position to answer the question, Your Honor.
What does your manual say?
Within 60 days, sir.
Within 60 days, this committee expects that there shall be a decision by the summary hearing officer. Tama?
Tama po, Your
Hindi ko
Honor.
na pupilitin yan, pero matitigas ang ulo ng mga ito eh.
Opo, Your Honor.
I do not see any reason why they should be lying to this committee. Yun ang punto ko. At kitang-kita naman ninyo na aminado sila na hindi kasama sa operation nila yung ginawa nila. And they cannot provide this committee a legal reason why ginawa nila yon. So, RD, Recon 4A, will you please see to it that the deadline for the termination of their administrative cases be followed and submit a report to this committee, the result of your investigation, summary hearing investigation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi alam ko meron na silang warrant of arrest dahil nag-bail na sila eh. But we would like to see that they be dismissed from the service.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, I move to cite in contempt those 8 PNP personnel except for Reyes, and in violation of paragraph C, our provision in contempt. Okay. Refusal to answer relevant question in this committee, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to cite in contempt the 8 PNP officials who have been involved on this operation, illegal operation, and this is duly seconded. Who is the any second motion?
Second motion.
Duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.